track your project's progress, but you don't have a fancy project management tool? With the strategies I'm sharing in this video, you won't need one. Let me show you some simple, effective ways to keep everything on track using tools that you probably already have. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Dr. Katie Linder, a certified project manager, change manager, and coach who works full-time leading and supporting teams in higher education. On this channel, I offer real-world examples of how project management translates into the higher ed environment. If you're looking for ways to use project management tools and skills, both professionally and personally, to bring more ease to your work and life, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're talking about how to track your project's progress without needing to learn or pay for complex project management software. Whether you're managing a solo project or leading a larger team initiative, these 5 low-tech, high-impact methods will help you monitor your progress and stay on track. The first method is one of the simplest systems out there, the Done, Doing, Next list. It works like this. Done is what's being completed. Doing is what you're currently working on, and next is what's coming up next in the queue. You can keep this list in a Google Doc, spreadsheet, whiteboard, or even in a notebook. It offers a clear snapshot of your project at any moment, and it's especially helpful for team check-ins or even just for self-reflection. You might also try a Kanban board method. I'll link to a recent video on this in case you want to check it out. The second method is progress dashboards in Excel or Google Sheets. This is great if you love visuals. You can track things like tasks completed versus total tasks, milestones achieved, timeline progress. You can also add simple color coding, green, yellow, red, to show what's on track, what's at risk, and what's behind. This gives your stakeholders a quick visual update with no fancy software required. The third method is milestone checklists. Start by identifying the major milestones of your project. List them in order, and as each one is completed, check it off and include the date. This method helps you to celebrate progress, spot delays early on, and keep everyone aligned on what's being done and what's next. If you run recurring projects, you can reuse and tweak this checklist every time. The fourth method is a weekly email or meeting updates. Sometimes progress tracking is as simple as creating a consistent rhythm. Try sending a weekly status email to your team or stakeholders, or host a 15-minute check-in where each person shares a quick update. This approach doesn't just report progress, it creates momentum. It keeps the project top of mind and builds in accountability. The fifth method is to use your calendar as a tracking tool. In this method, you block time to do the work and also track the work. For example, set aside 15 minutes every Friday to review tasks and update your list. Block 30 minutes at the end of the month to review key milestones and reserve time before team meetings to prep a progress snapshot. This method builds a tracking habit into your workflow, and no extra tools are required. I'll also link to a video on time blocking in case you want to learn more about that method. You don't need complex systems or expensive tools to track your project's progress. With just a few intentional habits and some basic tools you already have access to, you can create a clear picture of how your project is moving forward. What's your go-to method for tracking progress? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear what works for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos that help you bring structure and ease to your higher ed projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.